In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an expense category in Goodday. This will be a quick walkthrough, but I'll go slowly enough so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click whenever you need to create a new expense category for your billing and finance tracking. First, make sure you're logged in to your Goodday account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the lower left corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. This might be your photo, your initials, or a default avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu with several options related to your account. From this menu, find and click on Account Settings. This will take you away from your main workspace and into your personal account configuration area. It might take a second to load, so just wait until you see a page with different tabs or sections that help you manage your account. Once you're inside Account Settings, look for the section labeled Billing and Finance. This is where Goodday keeps all the settings related to payments, invoices, and expenses. Click on Billing and Finance to open it. If you see more than one spot mentioning billing or finance, choose the one that clearly relates to your personal or workspace financial setup. After you're in the billing and finance area, you may see a sidebar or a set of headings. Make sure you're on the main billing and finance page where financial related options are listed. Take a moment to scan the page so you're familiar with what's there. You should see an option or section that refers specifically to expenses. Now locate the expense section. This is where your different expense categories will be listed. If you've never added anything here before, this section might look a bit empty, and that's completely fine. This is exactly where we're going to create a new category. To add a new expense category, look for a button or link that says Add. It's usually near the top or to the side of the expense list area. Click on Add. After clicking, Goodday will prompt you to fill in details for your new expense category, such as its name and any other relevant information. Once you've entered the details, save your changes, and your new expense category will now appear in the expense section, ready to be used in your future tracking.